Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about this, and I started thinking while that other video was loading, let's say if you wanted to make this line blue or any other color after you've made the whole sheet. Well, if you go to Edit, Find and Replace, and let's go just Find, not Replace, Find Object. From Selection, we've got the outline selected. Find All. Now what you need to do to go to Object and group them together, because for some reason you can't nudge them until you retouch them. But now we've moved all those lines down, and we didn't have to move them down. I'm just trying to prove a point, because now you could right-click on this blue right there and then nudge them back, and you have blue lines instead of black lines around that item. Pretty cool to be able to do that. So let's just back up here and make sure we don't have to move them. The key word is selecting the one item that you want to replace, because you don't have to tell it anything in the query. Let's go back and ungroup everything so we can just do that. So selection, from selection, you don't have to search or do the inquiry, just from selection. And then when it stops rotating, just find all, and then you can right-click blue, red, yellow, whatever color you want. That wouldn't look good. But you can change all the lines that quick. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.